workers were recent immigrants who were taken advantage of. Political corruption created an environment in which workplace disaster thrived. The owners of the factory had previously committed insurance fraud by setting fires. The owners of the factory had previously committed insurance fraud by setting fires. Firefighter nets were overstresed by the weight of leaders. Firefighter nets were overstresed by the weight of leapers. Firefighters on the scene didn't have long enough ladders. The fire escape was weak, hazardous, and too narrow. The fire escape was weak, hazardous, and too narrow. Doors leading out of the factory from staircases were locked. The factory floor was a cramped nightmare. The factory floor was a cramped nightmare. The factory's hose was rusted shut. The factory's hose was rusted shut. The fire spread very quickly. The fire spread very quickly. The place was a tinderbox waiting to burn. The place was a tinderbox waiting to burn.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.